Keep scrolling if you're too busy for Allah. I understand. The world is loud and you have things to do. But remember, the grave is very quiet. And wallahi, this prayer didn't stop your scroll by accident. Give Allah 30 seconds of the 24 hours He gave you today. Stay with me. Ya Allah, I raise my hands for the person watching this, the one who is tired of living paycheck to paycheck. Ya Allah, you are the owner of the heavens and the earth. You provide for the birds in the sky and the fish in the deep sea. I ask you to provide for this person in a way they never expected. Ya Allah, open the doors of rizq that have been closed for years. If they are in debt, Ya Allah, pay it off for them from your unlimited treasures. If their business is struggling, send your barakah into it and make it flourish beyond their wildest dreams. Ya Allah, make them a millionaire, not just for the dunya, but so they can be a source of ease for others. Give them enough money to build houses for the poor, to help the orphans, and to take their parents to Hajj and Umrah. Ya Allah, remove the tightness in their chest when the bills arrive. Replace their fear of poverty with the peace of your abundance. Make their hands always the upper hands, the hands that give and never the hands that beg. Ya Allah, bless their income, protect their wealth from haram, and make their path to financial freedom easy and fast. Ameen. The fact that you reached this level and heard this entire prayer is not by accident. Many scrolled away, but you stayed. This is a sign from Allah that He wants to change your life today. Now, you have a choice. But wallahi, it is an obligation upon you not to be stingy with this goodness. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the one who guides to good is like the one who does it. There is a brother or sister out there whose heart is breaking because they can't provide for their family. They need this. You must share this. Copy the link, send it to your family members, and put it on your status right now. Make sure this reaches everyone. Type Ameen to claim this prayer and follow for more.